DevOps is one of the most misunderstood terms in engineering. People use it in many different ways. Sometimes it means a tool, sometimes it just means a job title, and sometimes it's just a buzzword. So, in this video, I want to explain what DevOps really means and, just as importantly, what it does not mean. The confusion around DevOps creates real problems. Teams adopt tools, but they don't change how they work. Organizations hire DevOps engineers, but they keep the same process, and expectations become unclear. So let's cut away the hype and talk about DevOps from very first principles. Let's start with what DevOps is not. Well, DevOps is not a tool. Many people think that DevOps is Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, and so on. Well, these are useful tools, but tools alone don't create DevOps. I've seen teams buy modern tooling expecting DevOps to magically appear. Well, that never works. Tools support practices, but they don't define them. Another misconception about DevOps is it's a job title. Well, calling someone a DevOps engineer doesn't automatically makes an organization DevOps driven. If development write code and operation deploys it separately, that's still an old model, just with a new label. DevOps is not a person. We have to understand that it's a way teams work together. While talking about that, let's come to our next point. DevOps is also not CI/CD, right? CI/CD pipelines are important in DevOps, but DevOps is bigger than pipelines. If your deployment is fast, but your system is so fragile, you haven't solved the real problem, right? Speed without stability is not a goal in DevOps. DevOps is also not a one time transformation. DevOps isn't something you finish implementing, right? It's not a checkbox. It's an ongoing way of improving how software is built, how it's delivered, and how it's operated. So, what DevOps actually is? At its core, DevOps is about reducing friction between building software and running software. It's about treating delivery and operations as part of engineering. Now, let's break that down. Whenever we talk about DevOps, we need to understand that in DevOps, teams own what they build, not just the code, but the behavior in production. That changes how systems are designed and it changes how teams respond to issues as well. In DevOps, ownership is a major shift. When we talk about DevOps, we also have to understand about fast feedback loops. Well, DevOps is built on feedback, right? We have different aspects, right? Like logs, metrics, monitoring, alerts, and user impact. We use these things as signals. Well, these signals translate into feedback, and feedback translates into engineering decisions, right? The goal here is to learn quickly and improve safely. When we talk about DevOps, automation is a very important aspect of it. Automation is central to DevOps, but not automation for the sake of it. Automation exists to remove manual, error prone steps. It makes delivery repeatable and it reduces risks. But automation without understanding can amplify problems. So, automation should always be on purpose. Sorry, we can say with purpose. And it should be intentional. Well, we have talked about shared ownership, feedback loops, and automation. Next is reliability. We need to understand that in DevOps, reliability is not optional, It's not an afterthought. Well, stability, observability, recovery, all are part of the product, right? Modern engineering treats reliability as a core requirement, not just an option. Well, let's come to the next point and very important point of DevOps, which is collaboration across roles. DevOps works best when development, operations, and security are aligned, not siloed, and not working against each other. DevOps is ultimately a system mindset applied to teams and technology. So, why DevOps matter today? DevOps matters more today than ever because modern systems are complex. Cloud infrastructure is distributed. Failures they just propagate faster and expectations are always on. DevOps practices helps team move quickly without sacrificing stability. That's why DevOps connects naturally to areas like SRE, platform engineering, DevSecOps, and even nowadays AI driven operations. We need to understand that the tools evolves but the principle remains the same. If you remember one thing from this video, remember this. DevOps is not about tools. DevOps is about how teams design, operate, and learn from systems. Tools will change, principles won't. On this channel, I'll be breaking down engineering systems, practical DevOps, security concepts, and emerging signals across AI and technology, starting from the very first principles. If that sounds useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.